Want to know how to check if two strings are meta strings in Java? So a meta string simply means you can make one string equal to the other by swapping exactly two characters. So in this video, I'm just going to be explaining you how meta characters work, how to find them, and how this code works. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So first we check both strings. We have made two strings and then we check it. Then we compare the character by another character. If there are two or more mismatches, it's not possible. If there are exactly two mismatches though, those mismatched characters are just swap positions. Then the strings are meta strings. For example, converse and conserve are meta strings because swapping R and S makes them identical. It's really a cool and simple trick you can learn, and it's interesting as well. So I'm just going to run this code to show you, and there you go. The meta string has been come as true. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.